Alright, this is our next video, video number 4. We have a short melody here. Let's say we are playing, you are listening to this. I want to carefully look at the F and the G. Those are the notes that we have been dealing with. F actually in the first space on the treble clef, and G in the second line. Now, if you keep into account that is 4 counts per measure, so the first time you play F is gonna be in count number 3, and then number 4. So you wait and you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay. I repeated this, so don't get confused for that. Now, let's pretend I give the 4 counts and you clap when you have to play the F and the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. You hold this, and I'm gonna explain later in class how you damp these notes. Okay, that's simple. That's a preliminary exercise. We are gonna move to our next exercise. Okay, we have this exercise now, and this is another short melody. We have C, G, G. Remember, 4 counts per measure, at least in these preliminary exercises. So this G plays in the second beat, and this one in the third and fourth. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't explain that we're gonna be dealing now with 8th notes as well, and also we will be using the F note as well. So understand these 2 measures. The rhythms are the same from beat 2, 3, and 4, but the change is in the note. The note changes. So try to play with your hands, pretend you are waving the bells, and as it plays, try to play only your notes, G and F. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, would you be able to do the same if you were listening to other notes? That's our next exercise. Now, let's consider this one. It's the same exercise. Here is the same melody that we have been just playing above. The difference is that there are going to be more notes playing around you. That is kind of having the environment that you will be doing in bells, having in bells. As you play your notes, you have to match with the rest of your group, and that's what makes handbell playing unique, because this is only one instrument performing, but this instrument cannot perform well if not everyone is synchronized in the right way. Remember, your notes are G and F. Be careful, you got different type of G's here. You have 8 notes, you have half notes, 2 counts, 2 beats, A notes, half, so it would be 2 and. Here you have quarter notes, and here you have again the half notes. Here we go. 1, 2, clap your notes, your G's and your F. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you did very well. Now try to slap, or in your laps, tap with the left hand. I'm gonna type here left hand, and oh no, the G would say that is the right hand, and the F here is your left hand. So in your right and left leg, try to lap. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay, I want you to go over this video and practice these exercises more than once, so your brain begins to understand little by little when and how is that you have to come in the rhythm, or rhythmically speaking. I'm gonna quickly add here 4 more measures just to show new note. This new note is the whole note. The good thing about the whole note is that it values 4. So if you see it, you just count 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not gonna be much of a problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. So even if you have here in F, you do right hand, left hand, and actually let me explain. As we mentioned before, since this is an instrument very similar to the piano, the high notes are the ones who go, the higher the notes go is to the right, and the lowest is to the left. So if you have this G is here and this F is right there, so in other words, this G is gonna be with the right hand and the F with the left hand. That's why we are mentioning this here. And to make things a little more sense, I'm gonna make this the F and this the G. So this will be left hand, right hand. How about we just copy a couple more, and this will be right hand, and you try to count and play from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Let's quickly review. This is the distribution. We have actually 5 complete octaves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because this one is the 7th octave. It could be written by itself, but we put them together because it's, in most cases, it's played by the same player, which is called Forinhano or Chile, when play the two notes of the same kind together. And okay, the quarter note is 1 beat, as we have it here. The half note is equivalent to 2 beats, and the 8th note is 2 notes per 1 beat. So 1, 2, and, right? 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and all of these are 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Then we got to perform a little bit here, and we have this quick practice with the notes, including the whole note. Okay, I have created some exercises that are to be performed or played by the computer using the software MuseScore. Actually, I'm gonna write it here. MuseScore. And this software, MuseScore, is created at the website musescore.org. You download it and you install it, and when you are ready, I can email you the exercises where you can clap particular notes that you're going to be asked to select. Okay, thank you very much.